Hello beta, today we will do few questions on real numbers. First question is prove that root 2 is an irrational number. इसमें you can have root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, any number. Method is same, please follow it. तो सबसे पहले let us assume कि root 2 is a rational number. Let us assume root 2 is rational. And we know any rational number can be written in the form of P upon Q. So therefore, P upon Q is equal to root 2, where P and Q are co-primes. इसमें कोई common factor नहीं है, co-primes. तो squaring both sides, you can have 2 Q square is equal to P square, or P square is equal to 2Q square. P square is equal to 2Q square means P square is a multiple of 2. P square is a multiple of 2. If P square is a multiple of 2, which implies P will also multiple of, P is also a multiple of 2. When P is a multiple of 2, तो P को हम और कोई वेरिएबल P is equal to, let P is equal to 2m. Again, P square is equal to 4m square. Now, from 1 and 2, let it be 1 and 2. दोनों P square हैं. You can write 2Q square is equal to 4m square. यहाँ से आपको मिल गया Q square is equal to 2m square. Same way, Q square is equal to 2m square. It means Q square is a multiple of 2. If Q square is a multiple of 2, Q will also be a multiple of 2. अब यहाँ से क्या हुआ? You can see from these two. P is a multiple of 2, Q is also a multiple of 2. Which means P and Q both have a common factors. अब दोनों का common factor हो गया, तो it means which contradicts our assumption, and root 2 will not be a. Both have a common factor, which contradicts our assumption. Therefore, root 2 is not rational. Hence, root 2 is irrational. Hence proved. अच्छे से समझिए बेटा, लिख कर करेंगे इनको प्रैक्टिस. तो ये ऐसे ही रूट 3, रूट 5, रूट 7 हम इसको ले सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज शो दैट 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational. Same way, let us assume 5 minus 2 root 3 is rational. ऐसे क्वेश्चन बेटा आपने क्या करना है, इसको रैशनल तो लेट अस वी कैन राइट इट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ P upon Q. तो P upon Q इज इक्वल टू 5 minus 2 root 3. इसमें ऐसे कैलकुलेशन करिए, टेक रूट 3 ऑन वन साइड एंड द अदर टर्म्स टू द अदर साइड. उसके लिए यू विल गेट 2 root 3 is equal to 5 minus P upon Q, which is equal to Q, this is 5Q minus P, and root 3 is equal to 5q minus p upon 2q. ये q था तो वो ये 2 इधर डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया. Now you can see the right hand number is a rational number and root 3 is an irrational number. And irrational number cannot be equal to a rational number. But root 3 is irrational and 5q minus p upon 2q is irrational. Is rational. An irrational number can't be equal to a rational number. Therefore, this given number 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational. हमारी assumption इसको satisfy नहीं कर रही. 5 minus 2 root 3 is irrational. Next question. Prove that root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Again, let us suppose this is rational. Let root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. तो a is equal to root 2 plus root 3. हमने उसको a suppose कर लिया. इसके लिए take any number to left hand side. Let it be a minus root 3 is equal to root 2. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. A minus root 3 whole square is equal to 2. इस होल स्क्वायर को आपने इसको खोल दिया. A square plus 3 minus 2 root 3 a is equal to 2. यहाँ से आपके पास root 3 अलग करना है. Root 3 will be a square plus 1 upon 2a. Again, an irrational number cannot be equal to a rational number. An irrational number can't be equal to a rational. Therefore, root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Hence proved. Now there are few questions on these real numbers, MCQ type questions. The first question is, if the HCF of 210 and 55 is expressible in the form of 210 into 5 plus 55y, then y is equal to, y की वैल्यू बतानी है. Choices are there. HCF of 210 and 55 you can find by prime factorization या Euclid's, any method. You will get it. It is HCF of this is 5. ये आपको निकालना पड़ेगा. निकाल लेंगे. It is very simple. Now it means 5 is equal to this number. So this is 210 into 5 plus 55y is equal to 5. I want to find y. Y is equal to 5 minus 210 into 5 is 1050. इसको अभी 55 रहने दीजिए. Minus 1045. Y is equal to minus 1045 upon 55. You can reduce it. again it is reducible by 11, minus sign is there, so y is equal to minus 19. Our D choice is the answer. Question number 2. The product of the HCF and LCM of the smallest prime number and the smallest composite number is, ये हमने बताना है. Smallest prime number is 2 and smallest composite number is 4. HCF of in these two number is again 2 and LCM will be 4. Product of this HCF and LCM will be 8. So my choice is again it is D. Question number 3. HCF of two consecutive even numbers is. Consecutive even numbers जो हैं उनमें हमेशा 2 का डिफरेंस होगा. 2, 4. HCF is 2. 6, 8. Common factor will be 2. 2 into 3, 2 into 4. 8, 10. 2 into 4, 2 into 5. So it is very simple. Our HCF will be 2. This is C choice. Next question. You are given HCF and LCM of two numbers are 9 and 90. Here HCF or LCM है. One of the number is 18. Then the other number will be. Again choices are given. You know product of the numbers is equal to product of the HCF and LCM. One number is 18. So 18, let it be 18 into B is equal to 9 into 90. So B will be 9 into 90 upon 18. 18 5s are, ये हमारे पास आ गया 45. And our choice is B. So B choice is our right answer. So these were the few questions on MCQs. Please revise them. Good.